Good evening, students. I am Sivagami Priya, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. Today, we are going to talk about software requirements in software engineering. The first one, software requirements. Software requirements, it is nothing but it is the process to gather the software requirements like coding, designing part, then planning, deployment, all the requirements call from the client. It is called, after that it will analyze the document, that is known as the requirement engineering. Okay, the goal of requirement engineering, it is the develop and maintaining a sophisticated and descriptive system. The requirement specification. Requirements is nothing but it is the designing part, coding, deployment, testing. That is all the phases called as a software requirements. Each requirements has a different methodology. Okay, the software requirement is a description of the future functions or constraint of the system. Each and every requirements have a different description for the future product development. Okay, what the software must do. Not only now, how the software must do the system. That is called software requirements. The next one, it will provide the foundation for the design, deployment, development, and testing. Okay, the software requirements provide the only kinds of foundation for the designing, deployment, and testing methodology. So next one is there are three types of software requirements out there. The first one, functional requirements. The second one, non-functional requirements. Third one is domain requirements. Okay. Functional requirements, it is when we are entering an application to do the some work. We can log in for the particular web page, that is called username. We can give the username and password, that is called the functional requirements. It will focus on the system behavior and functionality. System only giving the functionality, that is called the functional requirements. The next one is it will represent the futures can be directly observed and tested in the final product. Okay, that is called functional requirements. The common examples include the user authentication, authorization, processing, the search, payment handling, and report generation. This is called as the functional requirement in the particular system. That is called functional requirements. Non-functional requirements. Non-functional requirements are many kinds of phases. The first one is performance, security, usability, reliability, scalability, maintainability, availability, and portability. Okay, these are called the non-functional requirements in these are called the non-functional requirements. The first one is performance. Performance means how the requirements performing to the particular product. That is called a high level, or a speed low level. That is called speed. That is called performance. The next one is security. What are the security of updated in the particular product requirements? That is called security. Whether it is updated or not, protection against unauthorized access. The next one is usability. Usability, it is means easy to use. What are the requirements are you using from the customer or client? So that is called usability. Example, whenever we are using some product feedback now, totally 24 into 24 hours, all the working days uh, we can use the particular product. So that is called a usability. Reliability, it is mean system stability and availability. Scalability mean nothing but it is ability to handle growth. The next one is a maintainability. It is easy to updates and fixes. The next one is portability. Portability means ability to run in different environments. There are many environments out there in non-functional requirements. So portability means it is ability to run in the different environments. It is working the particular requirements. The next one is the third one is domain requirements. Domain, it is particular field. Example, healthcare, finance, education, and that is called, it is a particular domain, that is called domain requirements. Example, healthcare, the software must comply with the regulations for handling the patient's data, whole patient's data, blood group, address, medical history, that is called healthcare domain requirements. The next one is the finance. The system should adhere to gap standards for financial reporting. The next one is e-commerce. E-commerce, it is nothing but it should support a various payment gateways like Stripe and credit card. That is called domain requirements. Advantages of the requirements: the better organization, improved communication, then increase the quality of the product, then improved traceability. These are called the advantages of the uh, requirements, software requirements. Thank you, students.